everybody, welcome back to my channel. For the newbies, thank you for stopping by. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and today we are going to have a makeup tutorial, a talk through makeup tutorial, and the star of the show is Iluvsarahii in collaboration with Darling's Dose of Colors. She came out with a palette, she came out with 4 lipsticks, 2 lip glosses and 2 highlighters. So I got the palette, the eyeshadow palette. Just look at the packaging. Isn't it gorgeous? It's very safari-esque like. That's what I think. I think palm trees, I think tropical, I think South Africa. That's what I think, you know. And she has 6 beautiful, let me just bend this over if I can. Yes. And she has 6 beautiful eyeshadows. Gorgeous. Now, let me tell you the names quickly, then we're going to go into prices and all of that, because I've written it down. Okay, so this rustic terracotta color, it is called Wanderlust. This black iridescent flecks, because it's black but it's got like iridescent glitter flecks in it, it is called Finders Keepers. Then you have this aqua, gorgeous, just like the sea, and this one is called Palma. You've got a gold, and that's a shimmer, and that's called Sun Glow. So far we've got like what, 3 shimmers. And then we have Pakitoma, that's a light color right here, that's also a shimmer. And then we've got Salmon, that's the color I would call it, a salmon pinkish peach, and that's called Loungy. So that is the adorable palette. I am so happy I got it because I talked about it in my recent video. It is Dose of Colors. You can get it on the website. It is available now. But the great thing, because I live in the United Kingdom, and you can get this on Beauty Bay, yes darlings, and the palette retails for £30. The lipsticks retail for £16. The lip glosses, which I got barely there, this retails for £15, and the highlighters retail for £25 each. I will always love lip glosses. Lip glosses are good to go. Love, love, love. My sister came a couple of weeks ago and I gave her my Kylie Cosmetic lip glosses. So cute, literally. So I was like missing like a kind of nude lip gloss. So that's why I got this. The highlighters were way too light for my complexion. And the lipsticks, even though they're so adorable, I already have those colors. For my US viewers, the palette retails for $35. The highlighters retail for $28, and then the 4 matte liquid lipsticks retail for $18, lip glosses $17 each, and for the complete collection $197. So those are the price points, my loves. Behind the palette, gorgeous, I don't know whether you guys can see it, it's got the little details there and everything, and it says here that it is gluten-free, it is paraben-free, as well as cruelty-free. Yeah, so that's the intro, guys. Sarah, congratulations on your collaboration, and without any further ado, let us get into the tutorial. Yeah, okay. So I have put on my foundation, my contour, my powder, my brows, because we got to quicken this up. So the first thing we're going to do, I love, and you guys know this, I love to prime my eyes with the NYX Jumbo pencils, and this one is called Black Bean. So I'm going to put this all over my eye, and I'm just going to graze it through. It's got a little white from my milk pencil. I don't know why. But it's no biggie anyway. You know, I'm just gonna go over my entire lid. And then I'm going to use my Juvia's Place brushes. I'm just going to blend this one out. I'm going to use the mirror in the palette. Love this. Then guys, I'm going to go in with Loungy. I'm just going to try and punch it in. That's right. Just to warm up the eye a little bit. Because I'm going to try and use all the colors. Well, try. Voila. Yeah, okay. Then I'm going to go in with Wanderlust. I'm using the same brush because this is a darker color, so not a problem. What brush am I using? I'm using the Morphe M505 brush. Touch, touch. And then just go underneath that, just to darken that. I'm going to try and go in with a beautiful smoky eye. Yes. Me likey. Do we like, my loves? I like this a lot. Then with a smaller brush, and this is my Juvia's Place brush from the Mint collection, I'm going to go back in with Wanderlust, swirl, 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 and I'm going to put this underneath and trace this underneath my eye. I love the color it's giving me. I love the vibe. It's very pigmented. I'm impressed. Because this tutorial is a first impressions. I haven't really used this eyeshadow palette. I'm using it with you guys. So I like what I see. We have the Finders Keepers, which is my favorite shadow in the entire palette. It's the winner for me. But it's going to have fallout because of the iridescent flakes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a matte shadow, black, and I'm going to go around my eye just to smoke it out. And then I'm going to take my finger and then just pat that in the center for maximum glitter. Kabish? Alrighty. So to help us out, yes, we are going to go in with Chadaloops. That's the blackest matte black I have ever known to man. And we are going to pop that in right around the eye, like so. That's all that I want to do. This way I don't have fallout. I'm going to take another brush, another clean brush, and fluffier brush, and just smoke out the edges so that it's really a very clean transition. Then I'm gonna go back just to show you little swatch loops. Do you see how beautiful that is with all the reflex? Then I'm going to swatch the aquamarine sea. Look at how beautiful that is. Gorgeous. I'm going to go in with the gold. Look at how beautiful that is. And then let me do the last shimmer, and there you have it. So these are the 4 colors left that we are going to try on. But first I'm going to put in the black right onto the ball of my eye. Yeah? Do you see the difference? Because I don't want fallout, and I don't want the glitter to fall off. I want it to be packed on right all over the lid. I love it. That extra zhuzh. And this is a sexy, sexy night look. It's really pretty. Oh, yeah. And this is what you should have, darlings. And then we are going to go in with Palmer right into the tear duct. Yes. Then I'm going to go in with an Urban Decay purple liner because they've got this big black smoky eye. So I want the color underneath to really pop and be fun. So we're going to go in with Psychedelic Sister. Yes, Pooh. And we're going to go in right and trace this onto my waterline. I love it. This is by Colourpop, and this is called Creature. It's a beautiful burgundy, and I'm going to put that underneath the purple. Yes, it just warms it up and gives it another smoky effect. Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I've talked about it a billion times. Love it. And we're just going to open up the lashes. I'm not putting any liquid liner on these eyes for the simple fact that it's so pitch black, it doesn't need it. Not for this look. Now we're going to go in with the gold, and we're going to put that on the highest point of our brow. Let me just take off some excess so that I don't go in too much. And then voila. I always go in here just to test the waters. If it looks good, then I will zhuzh. And by zhuzhing, I mean that I just take my brush and go back and forth a little bit here and there, not too much, very, very lightly. Pakitoma, I'm just going to go touch a little bit. And this will go into the highest point of the brow. There, boom. Take off the excess, you go back and touch. Just to give it more dimension, and you do it in the other eye. This is a nice palette, yeah. You're gonna take a smaller brush, pointed, see? smaller brush. We're going to go with Petit Thomas. I hope I'm pronouncing it very well. And this goes into the center of the eye to highlight the green. See? And that is it, guys. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Black Velvet Lash, and I'll be right back. So there we have it, darlings. We've got the eyes all done, and now we're going to do the rest of the face. So I am going to go in with Bella from Juvia's Place blusher. I am addicted to this blusher. OMG. It's got a little mirror in front too. So I'm swirling around with their mint green blusher brush. I have a discount code. You guys must know this. For the new ones that don't know, I have a discount code where you can get an extra 10% off at checkout with Juvia's Place products. So we're just going to put this on the high points of my cheeks. Just warm that up. Voila. Oof. Such a yummy color. And then just put it on the sides of your temples. Going to spritz our brush like so. That's with the Morphe Continuous Mist. The Danisa Myrix highlighter in Desire. All I need is just the cover. Just going to dab it a little bit like so. And what happens is that when you dab your brush, your highlighter goes on so much more smoothly, very lightly, in light strokes for it to pop off. And there you have it, and it just gives you life. Voila, there. So I do that, and you can just put a little bit on the sides of your temples. And just blend it in. Blend, blend, blend. The trick is always to blend, my loves. I'm going to take my MAC pencil in Chestnut, and I'm going to trace this color all over my lip before I put in the lip gloss of Barely There. I like that too. So guys, Chestnut it is. Some of these lip pencils, they can be so gorge. So there we have it. And then I'm going to take the lip gloss Barely There and go over this in the center. And that really makes for a nice lippy. I love that. I do love it. It works. So that way, when you get these light lip glosses and you think, oh, it's too light, just use a lip pencil first, and it will really just make it all the way nude and gorge. All right, to finish off the look, we are going to use the Morphe Setting Spray Continuous Mist. I adore this so much. I really do. Ooh. Ah, voila. So guys, I know you must be asking, what do I think of the palette? What do I think of the collection? I didn't get the entire collection. I didn't get any of the highlighters. I didn't get any of the lipsticks. It was a personal choice because I had those colors. For the highlighters, I just felt it was a little too light for my deep complexions. But as you saw, I used every color in this palette, and I love this. I love this very much. So is it F.D.V approved? The palette is F.D.V approved for deeper skin tones. What about the Barely There lip gloss? I adore it. I love lip glosses. It's summer. You want your lips hydrated. You want your lips moisturized. And to have a nude lipstick, you can always work with it by putting a darker pencil all over the lip, and then you put the lip gloss on top of it, and voila, you're looking gorgeous. So there you have it, darlings. I love it. I love the lip gloss. I love the palette. It is F.D.V approved. Congratulations, Sarah. I think you did a wonderful job. And there you have it, guys. So I will see you in the next episode, and until then, stay fabulous. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my love.